Hey everybody, today we got a fun project. We're gonna make a wooden chicken for the new chicken pen. I was gonna do foghorn leghorn, but you know, copyright stuff can be a little weird. Got my printout. I got my chunk of pressure treated wood. We're gonna see how it goes. It's not gonna be too fancy, but sometimes you just need a little extra, you know? It might do a little wood burning. Who knows? Give it a little bit of texture and that je ne sais quoi. It'll be perfect. I want it to look pretty good, but you know, it isn't a silhouette, so we're going to have some artistic license here, I would guess. Thought about trying to make it a little bigger, but yeah, it's just kind of a little decoration, fun piece over there. We're just gonna jigsaw it out. It'll be great. And the best thing is I don't necessarily have to color in the lines. I'm not very good at that. A little spikier than what the printout is, but it's all right. It's good. I'm just going for the chicken feel, you know. It is a beautiful Wednesday again here in Missouri. I am excited because they are forecasting some rain tomorrow night and into Friday. And boy, howdy do we need it. It is dry. It is as dry as it would normally be in June and July. And the pastures aren't growing and the hay fields aren't growing, and it's just not a good situation. I am thankful that our cows will be going to freezer camp in August, and we will not be feeding anything again until springtime when we restart our herd, or maybe restart our herd. We've got some plans, some ideas. We'll have to stick around and see what comes of that. So I'm going to try to fit it down here where the green's a little tighter. Don't want it to split all apart. Pick the best corner here. That looks pretty good. Should I draw it a little bigger? I don't know. Part of me wants to. That's for sure. I ought to be using Sharpie for this, I think. Oh, Sharpie marker. What have I done with you? This would be a little bit more visible. It's not the wide tip marker that I had hoped for. I know that I would normally be doing other farm work today, but at the end of the year, there's a lot of teachers that use up some of their PTO days, and my wife has been substituting quite a bit. So that means that me and the littlest one hang out. I will have to take a little artistic license with the jigsaw, I think. That's where we're at. Chicken wing, chicken wing. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. What do you guys think? Now for the sander. Already plugged in. Look at me go. And I think we're going to flame it. Maybe it's a black Austral or wait that. Hot chicken. Hot chicken coming through. The rough edges are for realism. Still hot. My glass of tea to the rescue. You guys see? Get your hand down. You want some chicken surgery? I need a glove. Nah, these pretty much back here to hold on to. Wednesday siren test. Or Russia pulled the trigger. What do you think? Looks like a chicken. Smoked chicken right now.